All right, we're going to watch Titus do a run-through.
Okay, this is a circuit with a ladder and boxes, and it's teaching him front end or rear end awareness and helping him build muscle. Titus, step. Uh-oh, let's try again, buddy. Good boy. Come here. Ready? Step. Stay. Yes. Good boy. Here it is. Uh-oh, you're being silly today. Come on. Front feet. Yes. Back feet. Back feet. Step. Stay. Oh, okay. Walk it. Walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it. Get back here. You're a silly boy. And Titus is a very enthusiastic puppy. He's only a puppy. Stand. Yes, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Let's go. Step. Stay. Yes! Now that is what I wanted. That's a good boy. Very good boy. That's good back feet. Okay. Turn. Front. Feet. Yes! Good job. Good job. Back feet. Right there. Good boy. Very good boy. Ready? Walk it. Uh-oh. Come back. That was not good. We're walk it, not over. Walk it. Yes, walk it. Good. Front feet. Good boy. Back feet. Good. Come on. Stand. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good boy. Yes. Up. Good boy. So we're going to have him up on the peanut. Good boy. Stand. Good. Sit. Good boy. Very good boy. Lie down. Lie down. Down. Okay. Stay. Good boy. Very good boy. So having him change position like this is working different sets of muscles. Going from the down to the sit changes the positioning of the core muscles and helps build different ways there. And again with the back too. Titus, sit. Come on, sit. Come on, sit. You're rotten. You're rotten. You're a rotten puppy.
Okay. Whenever.
So, Titus, good boy. So then we have our tippy board, and this will change directions on him. To start, when we're training him, we put our toes on it so it stabilizes it. So they're used to just getting up on the platform. Titus, up, up. Good boy. Up and sit. Sit. Good boy. And eventually, they will learn how to get up there on their own and how to stay in balance. So we're going to have him sit for a 10 count. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good boy. You can see the shifting in the movement is causing him to shift his weight and to use different muscles to control the board and try to keep it as still so he can stabilize himself on it. Okay, good boy. Yes. Oh, walk it. Good boy. Come around. Come around. Yes, that's a good boy. Oh, walk it. Good boy. Up. Up. All the way up and sit. Up and sit. Come on. Up and sit.